Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Alight Motion on PC. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on my iPhone device, but it's really simple guys. I'll explain you how to do it. So first of all, you're gonna have to download an Android emulator. So it can be BlueStacks is the best and stable emulator that you can use on your computer. Just go to BlueStacks and download this emulator, and then you have to come to a website like alightmotionpc.net. So you have to download and install an Android emulator on your PC. In this case it's BlueStacks. Open the installation file, download it and install it. It's really simple. Once the installation is complete, start BlueStacks from the icon on your desktop. The emulator will take a moment to configure initially. When the setup is finished and BlueStacks is finally open, proceed to the installation of Alight Motion Pro. Open the downloaded APK file that you just downloaded from a third-party website or alightmotionpc.net and install it as you would with any other APK file on an Android device. In this case, your computer is going to be your Android device because of the emulator. And then you will find the AM Pro APK installed and ready to be used from the home screen, and you can start and enjoy the application on your computer like a phone. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.